Good morning everybody. I'm going to put together a very quick recipe for you to make with the children. It's a fluffy pancakes or very nice and light pancakes as it's not too sweet. So yeah, something quick, easy, healthy. Let's have a look at the ingredients quickly. For this recipe we will use 2 cold eggs, half a cup of milk. I'm using full cream milk. You will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 100 grams of plain flour, and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil. We're going to need to separate the eggs, so I will have 2 mixing bowls. Okay? One for egg white, one for egg yolk. The bowl that you use for the egg white must be really very clean, don't have any oily residue, so you can just run your finger on the bowl, feel that there's nothing oily in the bowl. Right, otherwise it will not work out. Okay? So to separate the eggs, we open it slowly. And then just pass it. From shelf to shelf. Egg yolk goes there. And we do it again. So you will have one side, you will have the egg whites, and another side you will have the egg yolks. Okay? Let's put the ingredients of the egg yolks first. So inside the egg yolks will be all the other wet items, milk and oil. Okay, and then together with the flour will be baking powder and a little bit of salt and then your sugar will go with the egg white. Right, so I'll work on the egg white first. The reason is that it has to be whisked with a clean whisk. So if you go and stir your egg yolk mixture, you would need to go and wash and dry your whisk before you can do the egg white. So we'll start with the egg white. We whisk this up and then we will go there. Okay, Miwan, you can stir this.
With a spatula?
Yeah, just stir it with the spatula. Okay, so whisk with an energetic motion. Okay. So you can actually move on to the next step for that. And while I whisk the egg whites, Ileana will continue to sift in the dry ingredients and mix that together. Egg white looks really nice and thick and creamy, so this should be okay. Alright, okay, so that is alright. Okay, if it falls back, it will leave the lines on the egg white. Okay, you will actually see the ribbons on the surface. Right, let's have a look at Iliana's job. And that is so good. Okay, a little bit lumpy, but now we can use the whisk to just give that a little bit of a stir. And that's it. Okay, for the egg yolk milk mixture, be careful not to stir it too much. The more you stir it, the more gelatinous it will become, and it will actually be making your pancakes hard. So a nice mix until it's smooth, and then stop stirring. Okay, so the next step will be to fold the egg whites and the egg yolk mixture together. Okay, so add a little bit, and then we're going to gently stir that together. Again. And the last little bit. So my mixture is done. Very nice big non-stick pan. And just drop the scoops into the hot pan. With a good dose of syrup on top. If you want to be healthier, try some unsweetened fruit jam, peanut butter, a little bit of grated cheese, okay, whatever you have at home. Okay, stay safe, stay at home, don't go out unnecessarily, have some fun, don't be too stressed out. Right, so that's it for me, for you today. Bye, bye, bye.